Hello friends, so this is official 1xBet predictor. This official 1xBet website. Today I show you how to work my predictor. I show you official 1xBet links. It's all real. Look, this all buttons work. And now I chose Crash Game and I show you how to work my hack in Crash Game, guys. Look this. Okay friends, look this. I open my official Telegram, Crash Hack 1x, subscribe my group and make money with me. Okay guys, this official SQL injector. I log in my admin account. Fine, now I choose game mode. I choose 1xBet because I in 1xBet website. Okay, back to main menu and click hack. This first hack, my dear friends. Okay, 7.02. This good number is very good number. Look this, my dear friends. This all real. This not cutting, guys. This not montage. It's all real, my dear friends. Just look this. 702. And boom, guys. This working. This all real. Okay, next hack, guys. Fine, 2.49x. This okay, it's a good number, guys. And look, the official SQL injector 3.04x. Boom, guys, it's really working. Made by Crash Hack, real hackers, special for you. Okay, again I click hack and this program give me next number. Okay guys, this is really best hack for very low price, infinity using, guys. No limits, no time limits, no predict crash limits. This all infinity using. Alright guys, and look this first. Oh sorry, last hack. Okay my dear friends, this is best predictor for very low price. I show you how it's work. This is really best predictor. And boom guys, I show you how it's work. This best predictor for very low price, my dear friends. Okay, don't forget about my official Telegram channel, Crash Hack 1x, guys. Crash Hack 1x, subscribe and make money with me using my SQL injector. This is real best predictor for very low price.